Polar bears are the largest land carnivores in the world. Adult males can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, about the size of a small car. Females are smaller, usually around 500 to 600 pounds. Despite their size, they're built for survival in the freezing Arctic. Their scientific name is Ursus maritimus, which means sea bear. That name is no accident. Polar bears live mainly in the Arctic Circle, around Canada, Greenland, Norway, Russia, and Alaska. They depend on sea ice as their hunting ground. Polar bears can't chase seals on land. Instead, they wait patiently near holes in the ice where seals come up to breathe. When the seal surfaces, the polar bear strikes. This hunting strategy makes them experts at conserving energy in a place where food is scarce. Polar bears have incredible features designed for the Arctic. Thick fur that's actually transparent, not white. It only looks white because it reflects light. Black skin underneath that absorbs heat from the sun. 4 inches of fat under their skin to insulate against the cold. Massive paws, like snowshoes, that help them walk on thin ice and swim long distances. And yes, they're excellent swimmers. Some have been tracked swimming for over 60 miles at a time. Female polar bears usually give birth to 1 to 3 cubs in dens made of snow. Cubs are born tiny and helpless, about the size of a guinea pig, but under their mother's care, they grow rapidly. Mothers are extremely protective, raising their cubs for about 2.5 years before the young bears are ready to survive on their own. Here's the problem. Polar bears need sea ice to hunt seals. But because of climate change, that ice is melting earlier in the spring and forming later in the fall. This means polar bears are forced to spend more time on land where food is scarce. Some are going hungry. Scientists estimate that without significant change, 2/3 of the world's polar bears could disappear by 2050. Polar bears aren't just symbols of the Arctic. They're indicators of a much bigger issue. If the Arctic is warming fast enough to threaten them, it's a warning sign for the whole planet. Protecting polar bears means protecting the Arctic, and protecting the Arctic helps stabilize Earth's entire climate system. Polar bears are incredible survivors, perfectly adapted to one of the toughest environments on Earth. But their future depends on the choices humans make today. Subscribe for more videos like this.